Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna go through um section 2.5, which is about solving absolute value expression. That's the learning target. We will go through um three examples. Example one, example number four, and this. Let me correct it as we go on. All right, so let's talk about example one. Example one is actually this. We have absolute y plus 2 equal 4. And then we also need to graph this. We need to prove, we need to solve it first. We need to look for the solution. Step one, look for solution. Looking for solution, basically you need to, because of absolute, because of this absolute, you need to separate y plus 2 to 4 and minus 4, okay? Because of this. So what this means is, when you move this 2 over, you move this 2 over, this is what you have, y equal 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. So y can be either 2 and negative 6. So we have two solutions, but we need to make sure um, these two solutions are actually verified if they are right. How do we do it? We need to do it left hand side equal to right hand side. We go back to the first equation, which is this one. Now we copy this one. Absolute y plus 2 equal 4. Okay, so we have two values. Y equal 2. Y equal negative 6. And then left hand side basically is y plus 2 equal absolute 2 plus 2 equal 4. Okay? And that is equal to right hand side. For negative 6, we do exactly the same. Negative 6 plus 2 equal absolute negative 4, which is still 4, and that is, how do I take this away? Equal right hand side. Now we know that they are definitely right, so we can graph them. Next time we need to graph them. One is, so we have this number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically, we just need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a mistake. Should be 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So that is how we solve for the first one. For function absolute value y plus 2 equal 4. Now we also go through the second example, which is example 4. Let's go through example. Well, let's do this first. Absolute 3 over 4x minus 3 equal 9. We need to solve for x. We need to solve for x. This is highly similar apart from having a fraction here. So because of the absolute value, we split the function to 3 over 4 x minus 3 equal 9 and negative 9. Step 2, we hold unknown on one side, which is this one, and then 9, and move this negative 3 to the other side. So plus 3 minus 9 plus 3. Step 3. We combine these two, we get 12. We combine these two, we get negative 6. All right. Why? How can I get rid of that? All right, next one, we need to, what we are going for is 1x. So basically, because of this, we need to multiply by its reciprocal. So it's 4 over 3. When we multiply this 2, when we multiply the left-hand side, we need to do exactly the same on the other side. All right. So this cancel out, this cancel out, and we get 1x. So we get 16, and we get 8. So x can be either 16 or negative 8. If we are to graph this one, basically it will be 0 on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do more. Let's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So it's here and here. All right. And the last example basically is this. We are going backward. We're going backward. So from this graph, we can know that um, the answers are x is basically 17 and 27. Solution are 17 and 27. Solution 17 and 27. And how do we do this? All right, so the distance, step 1. Um, Calculate the distance, which is 17 minus 27, which is negative 10 equal 10. Or you can do it the other way, 27 minus 17 absolute, and you also get 10. All right. And after getting the distance, what you really need to do is find a midpoint. Midpoint. So it will be 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. So what you do is 17, 27, you move by 5 units to the left, or 27 minus 5. So this is the midpoint. So 17 plus 5, 22. 27 minus 5 is also 22. Okay, so combining the information, we can form the equation. So x equal 22 plus or minus 5. All right, plus or minus 5. The technique is you keep this one and move this across. So x minus 22 equal plus or minus 5. And what you then do is, go away please. You take away, you do not write this. And then instead, you put 2 blocks on the left. And that is the solution. Okay, that will be the end of 2.5.